Hi guys and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be discussing Retune, which is an amazing best no-code platform to build your AI applications. So before we dive into the video, you can head over to the link in the description for an extended free trial and some exclusive benefits for Retune. And let's just now discuss about its features. So you can see it is basically an AI powered prompt based platform. So nowadays a lot of these platforms are getting popular, and currently as you can see it is saying you don't have any chatbot yet, and that is because we do not have created any chatbot, which we can do by simply clicking on this create chat option on the top right side of our screen. Once we do that, we are going to be naming our chatbot. I'm going to be naming it simply bot, and in the description I'm going to be typing something random and click on create chatbot, and you can see it is now created. Now we can do a couple of things using this chatbot. Once you click on this, you can see we have wide range of features on the left side of our screen in here, and we have prompt. Basically you can enter the base prompt, like for example currently here some sample text is written. You are an auto-regressive language model that has been fine-tuned with instructions tuned and RLHF. So basically it is trying to train the model or the chatbot how it is going to be acting and what results it is going to be providing. Similarly, we have some restrictions, so it should be simply restrained from these type of orders or instructions that we provide in here in this box right below. For prompt we have trained, so of course in training we can provide some training documents and information for our chatbot so it can be trained much more perfectly. Also we have capture. In the capture we have some various other features, like for example name, type, what type of data it is. So basically it is going to be capturing the information using this set of fields. We have conversation. Of course the chatbot is going to be chatting, of course, so we can add the conversation that we want. We have a couple of tabs in here, and then if we head back to our chatbot, you can see some various other features as well. So similarly we have some other features as well, like for example subscription. So if you want to simply subscribe to their different plans according to your demands, you can do that. We have our playground to build our chatbot even more stronger and design our applications. You can see the recipes, and finally we have settings and documentation. So it is quite simple. Make sure to give it a try by yourself as well. They have a tutorial on their dashboard or the main page as well. If you simply delete your chatbot, you can see the tutorial is provided, or it is basically a tutorial in form of step-by-step guide. So yeah, it is quite simple and amazing. Make sure to give it a try. Do not forget to head over to the link in the description to get an extended period of trails and exclusive benefits. Thank you so much for watching guys, and see you in the next video.